Good afternoon, traders. We got Decker Outdoors. We've been trading this for the last 15 years. Yes, we have. They always do well. You can see in the after hours, we're up $65. We were as high as $8.29, and that we were. So once again, Tommy Trader here, turbooptiontrading.com. This is a big move for the retail sector. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Get into our live trading room. Let us walk you in every one of these home run trades that you can get involved with right now. And this is a Hall of Fame option trade, and I'll tell you why. When you take a look at the options right here, they were buying the calls as we were, and you can see 670 is a low. Tomorrow these will be $50. That is the Hall of Fame because we have a $65 gap in the stock, and that's going to gap these up $60. This will be in our Hall of Fame section right here, $5.43. You could have been the big owner. We would have put you in the trade in the live trading room. You can believe what you see. Sign up, turbooptiontrading.com.